Android 48 online.
Playground here. I couldn't think what else to do, so I just grabbed the handle of his hair and shook his head.
Remember when you were on the...
Stop it!
When you were on the plane over the weekend and that girl said hi to you? Do you remember that?
Oh, she said, see.
Oh, that's right.
She actually texted in and said thank you. She heard that yesterday, but I'm giving her a double shot.
No, you're going to provoke crazy.
Well, the good news is, as he gets more and more out of shape, I feel more and more confident that I can take the onslaught. The initial flurry will be devastating, but if I can keep on my feet for 12 to 15 seconds, he'll run out of steam.
You're home free. You're home free.
Patty will have used up all his energy. Pretty soon, you're not going to be able to catch him kids. We're just talking about soccer.
Yeah, just trying to down the field.
Why do you got to make everything dirty?
Oh, I'm not the one trying to make everything dirty. You're the one trying to make everything sound dirty. That's what you're saying.
Someone's heads on.
Yeah.
It's not.
Let's face it, your paycheck's not big enough to lure him in with bicycles and popsicles forever. Who wants wine cooler?
Because I got 4 bicycles.
Yeah, well, you could if you weren't buying all the stupid crap you buy.
Saw the Burger King sign.
Yes, I didn't buy that.
Still got a suntan bed?
Yeah.
Still got, the other day he tried to buy the guy down the street, what did he want, $3,500 or something?
Yeah, he went 2,500.
2,500. And he wanted to buy a, what was it?
It's just
Some kind of scooter?
Yeah, it's a
Scooter car?
Yeah, it was a scooter car.
With a big bubbly windshield in the front. He was literally, I'm like, T, no, the answer is no. You cannot have one. I will step in here and say, no. The answer is N-O spells no. You're not that smart. You make poor decisions, and then you want to get into a vehicle that nobody can really see, is not very fast, and then somebody will mow you down.
Okay, number one.
Yeah,
It wasn't for me.
What are you going to buy it for?
Brody.
What? You might be the worst parent of all time. Of all time. Just as short a scooter or whatever. I didn't wear no helmet. Hell, we didn't even know inoculation. We didn't wear no condoms, stupid. What the hell's wrong with you?
Well,
I'm a 15-year-old kid, a fake car to get mowed down in the street with.
You don't sit on the highway, dum-dum.
Oh, yeah. You know where you get killed? In intersections.
Yeah, in a residential
why
where
listen to
they
me? I've
can't
only
see
ridden
you.
motorcycles most of my life. You're right, I'm an idiot.
Oh, yeah. But, I know, I was 2 years old.
That's because your parents wanted to thin the herd.
Yeah, they were trying to get you out there.
Same reason my parents left me in a car at Dylan's parking lot in Kmart with the windows open and the car running, and I was nude and greased up with a blindfold.
I don't know, let's try it again. Make him an altar
It
boy.
said free to a good home. Free to any home. Just take him. Don't bring him back. He used to cover up the license plate. My parents would leave me out in the middle of a field and see if I could find my way home and tell all the neighbors I live on a farm. Lucky because my brothers and I are lucky we didn't end up in a burlap bag at the bottom of a pond. Like cats. It's true. But yeah, you would buy your kids that. You would never do that. No. You don't buy your kids something to be on the street. No.
He doesn't even want to drive, though, right?
Dude,
We thought the thing was going to be...
you know, my parents are pretty damn independent. We never owned a car seat. You know, that kind of a thing. That dad never let me ride a motorcycle on the street when I was a kid. Never. He'd have killed me. My dad would have beat the head injury into me. I had to go to what's called a field, and I would ride it around in the dirt and fall down there.
Right.
I mean,
Street legal.
there, you got to get 150cc, you got to get a license.
Yeah.
Is the mini chopper street legal?
Listen, a 49cc is street legal to you, and you don't have to put a license plate on it. It's still not a good idea. No, it's not a good idea. Don't.
It's not the smartest
I forbid
thing
it.
to do.
I forbid it. I forbid it. Listen, I'm the one that has to deal with you. And I got a couple more years from the show. So it's not that I care if your kid gets smoked or not. I just got to get through the next few years.
Yeah.
I got parents to support, for God's sake.
Good decisions.
I got a text a minute ago from my parents' nurse that says, I must have a check today. I got to get through today, my friend. You think I'm kidding? We're going to... You know, when you employ somebody, I must be a terrible employer.
Yeah.
Because the employees just tell me what's going to happen. He says,
You're going to need to write a check.
I absolutely must get a check this weekend. Well, I've never missed one. What have I not paid you? I swear to God, look at the thing. Here. I absolutely...
I must get a check this weekend.
Yeah. What does it say next?
I will come by tonight after 6 at that school.
Yeah.
Love you again.
Yeah, and I owe what I owe.
I owe you 5 hours.
Yeah, because guess who's the nice guy when you I don't know, 5-10 hours in the check from up front, because I advance.
Try to even it up, yeah.
I advance.
But I absolutely must.
Nobody cares about me. Nobody. Nobody will give me a Godzilla statue.
You should buy a bubble scooter. They're all the rage.
Oh, sad too is I don't have a 5-year-old